National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Armstrong County, East Central Randall County, South Central Carson County, until 12:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Palo Duro Canyon, or 15 miles east of Canyon, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Claude and Palo Duro Canyon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday for the following counties in Texas: Armstrong, Carson, and Randall.